Touched down the heat, broke DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the show to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geeks, yo. Need to get yellow with an extremely new.
It was countering and kicked the nurse on over.
So what long-term drug use is, people, right here.
Hey, you guys!
Alright guys, here's my 1999 Toyota Tercel. It is time. We are putting a fucking velocity stack in car. We're gonna come up here, through the hood, up here, into there. It's gonna fucking sound insane. Not like that. That's closer. 16 valve Toyota. Oh, it's a bad idea. What do you think?
Fucking
Need a rough idea. Where's that right here?
Oh, it's like you see the mark.
Let's go get your phone out and check. Hurry up, burn daylight. Oh.
No, I can't see where you're hitting.
Yeah, I hit right here. We'll go right here. Holy fuck, the hood on it.
Fuck it.
That's Toyota for you. Jesus Christ, that thing's like fucking plate steel.
That was just fucking the curve thing goes on it.
X marks the spot right there. We'll get a hole in that. That's gonna be our intake tube. Fuck. We should have went over further. We should have came over here. Oh fuck, here we go. Fucking grind away there, fucking glasses.
I laugh in the face of danger. I can't cut a fucking circle with this though.
Yes, you can.
Well, I'm not that skilled.
Okay, we'll cut a square inside the thing and then cut 45s and then we'll snip it. No turning back here. Look at that masterpiece. That thing looks like that should be the exhaust setup on this thing. Look how fucking savage that looks. Oh, yeah, we did a good job, eh? Fucking grounder. Fucking shark teeth. Alright, fuckers, we gotta draw it out here. Like our fucking dimensions, where we're gonna go, what we're gonna do. But I have absolutely zero fucking silicone clamps, so we're gonna go to the plumbing section, home hardware. Hook it up, grab some. We'll be back in a fucking jiffy. And then we'll get this fucking. Went to Canadian Tire. We got this huge induction pipe. Believe it's dryer tube, but she's a true 3. We got some adapters here. Got your average adapter. We got this fucking $20 roll of Gorilla Tape. That could come in handy. So, let's start figuring this out. Let's fucking rip that open and see how big it gets. Set this up here, my tripod. Oh man. So this is what we're dealing with. But look at this. So, oh my god. That's all we're gonna need. This is it. This is ready to go to the fucking moon and back. Oh, let's just get right into this. I'm gonna start installing this right now. What's up? Oh yeah, just keep her going. Keep her coming. Oh yeah, it's the head's crescent, keep her coming. And the hood shot?
Yeah.
That's her. Oh my god. That just looks fucking sick. I want to start it up like this. Can you hear it? That's so loud! Oh, it's surging! That is loud in here. You don't even understand. Come on, let's go for a ride. Jump in! It's just surging.
Hit rev limiter.
No, it ain't gonna hurt my ears.
Do it.
Vibration out of it. I fucking had to grab my chest. I'm putting it up like this. That use.
It might suck. See if it'll suck the air pressure.
You see this good? Is it bright enough?
Yeah, it depends where the lights hit, right? Yeah, I can see I can see the stack fine. Yeah. Oh.
It's so loud. I can't see anything with that light on. See it good?
Yeah.
All right. It's so loud! How is that so loud? Oh, fucking monster, dude. Oh my god, dude. It's so loud. This is a fifth gear.
Sounds like an 18-wheeler coming down the highway.
Man, I'll do a fucking dig here. No limiter. Way too slow. Cash. Hey, can I get 2 large teas, 1 milk, 2 sugar?
1 medium tea, 1 milk, 2 sugar.
And medium tea, 1 milk, 2 sugar?
I got no money.
Yeah, that's everything. You good? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, it's not bad. We're going to jail. Velocity stack. Line 2 cold air burn up at 1. So we're out, day 2, velocity stack in car. Thing sounds fucking sick. Michael's first drive.
Yeah.
In car.
Car never stood a chance.
Car's fucking sick. Oh yeah. The Dwats are nuts,
Talking
eh?
about your blind spot. Looks like the Back to the Future DeLorean.
Yeah, it's fucking sick. I want to bog it and just like.
Don't bug.
Well, it's sealed, man.
I know that. Do it after the winter. The whole point of it's your winter bomb. Listen to the
Put it floor. I wasn't lying.
It sounds like a Cummins diesel when you're out.
Man, it's awesome.
Oh, it's
Perfect.
I wouldn't change a thing.
No, no. Alright, so here's a sick ass fucking riveted on teardrop. No, fucking dirty sluts now. There's a sweet teardrop we got. Let me focus on that. Oh yeah. But yeah, the car's back to stock. Ish. Whatever. Just got the cold air back on. But today, I think we're going to do an exhaust modification. Not going through the hood, but maybe through the bumper? I don't know. Tyler's on his way here. We're going to fucking get some pipe out and see what we're going to do. Let's get it! The exhaust on this thing must be like 1.5 inches. It is so small. This is such a bad idea. Anyways, this car is quiet. Just so you all know, it's literally like, oh fuck, so quiet. Never had a quiet car before. I mean, it is what it is. Right? What a fucking cliffhanger! Look how small that is. That's the whole exhaust. I think a stock K-Series, like, one header tube is bigger than that. That is like, oh my god. It'd be lucky to be 1.5 inches. Alright, let's get a test sample. See what we're working with here. See if, because if this loud's good, we'll just straight pipe it. If it's too loud, we'll put the resonator. Yeah, that's pretty loud. That's definitely a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. Alright, we'll put the resonator on. That's pretty loud for street driving. Maybe in another video, but I'm going to put this resonator on.
So what's the deal? What do you got done so far?
Take a fucking look!
What's your plan here? Oh, that couldn't work out any better. You got it, pipe? This is gonna sound sick.
I already started it and it's way too loud.
Really?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Start it up.
No. Go start it.
Oh.
It's way too loud. You think
Open header straight in.
it's loud?
What's that?
Oh, it's safe. Yeah, that loud. Hey! What is wrong with you?
I thought you were going hammer down.
No, it just shut it fucking up.
Holy fuck, the stinker. Oh, that sounds unreal. That's not even that loud. Let's do it. Let's
I got a resonator. I'm putting a resonator on. This is what I've been doing. Tyler hasn't been here. I'm here fucking this, getting this ready here. I had to cut like so many different little pieces.
That's fucking
Oh,
loud.
yeah. Show them. Look at the hole I already got. Started to cut. That's where she's going. And you know how to get it to focus, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, we just tried to test fit it. But only had tack broke off.
Fucking retacking her.
Oh, fuck.
Poor tercel.
I know. It was such a clean car when I got it.
Ah! Ah!
Melting on you?
Yeah, I fucking grabbed it thinking it was cold.
Yeah, no, it's not going to be cold.
That was it, eh? You want me coming over here more or what?
Let's try it first. Get that welded up. The old flux. Ain't the prettiest. Tyler, got the teardrop ready. That is a fat teardrop.
Check this out. You got a big hole already?
You got a big hole.
Oh,
We're going to rivet that there, put a hole in that, and then this exhaust through that. Oh, Lord. Lord thundering. Look how dope that looks. It looks like,
One's gonna shoot flames. That'd be sick if it shoots flames.
it's definitely going to shoot flames. 100% going to shoot flames. We just got to weld this on the car. Tyler's going to fuck around with his little fucking teardrop, and then we'll fire it up and see how quiet it is.
Donnie is gonna rip. I keep clicking that fucking thing.
Look at the holes you got. I hope there's one by your thumb. You're lucky.
Yeah. We're gonna get this puppy cut up now. Around the fucking
We need to make it a hanger too.
the dope ass resonator we got going on.
Fuck, we should have welded on
We
it.
might cut this like flush, like straight down, but it's like it widens out, right? So it might be like double layer, so you can see.
Make a hanger with this. 2 hangers, chop it up, 2 bells.
That'll work. Let's get
So
to it.
Tyler had to paint it blue, color match Toyota. Took it all off back to white, so now it's 6 out of the store. So start it up.
That's what we want. Thing's fucking.
Fuck, I hope it's not loud. Don't rev the piss out of it and smoke us out in here. Thing burns around a quart every 1,000.
Don't give me no mixed hand signals, man. You ready, man?
Yeah, yeah. It's loud. Do the rev. Quieter though. Less rasp.
Oh, that's fucking wicked. Hit her again, Terry.
What's going on, guys? We're out at Donnie today, the tercel. She's a 99 tercel, 1.5 liter, 92 horsepower from factory, 5-speed. She got exhaust out the bumper, as you guys know, just a cold air setup on it, nothing crazy. And this sick ass Mack diesel truck shifter. And we're gonna go out, give her some rips, give her some pulls. So enjoy the video, drop a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you just want to fucking do. Let's get into her. I guess we'll go this way. Go for a little ripskis. Decent day. Got Mike with me. Terrible.
Oh, Jesus.
Second. That's been second.
There goes the tuning.
I told you the tuning wasn't gonna last there.
Get it?
It won't sit. All I want to tell you is I need a better e-brake.
No, you need thinner tires, man.